Hey guys, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we're going to be trying to repair this G-2D Walkera gimbal. Unfortunately, I had a really bad crash and I broke it in many places. I was able to repair it on previous crashes without actually having to take it apart, but this time we had to rip it right apart. I broke the mount here, there, broke it there, broke it there. I can't find the camera strap, so we'll have to come up with something like that. I had ripped the wires out for the gyro, ripped the wires off the motor. So we are going to put it all back together, repaired, and it's going to work. Just like anyone. As you can see, I've soldered some wires on here already. I'm halfway through this process already. I've crazy glued the frame pieces all back together. But I want to show you guys what to expect when you go to pull it apart if it's the first time. This top arm, it's fairly simple. There's two screws that go in here. That'll remove that arm. In here, this motor pushes through. To remove that, there's a little Allen set screw there. You have to loosen that one off. And normally, when it's together, this is inside of here. You also have to loosen off that set screw, and there's another one on the bottom side here, and that's what holds it to the motor. So there's 1, 2, 3 there you have to loosen off. Then your motor will pull out. You'll want to be careful because these wires will be fed through and you don't want to break them. On this arm, basically the same idea. The motor feeds through here. The shaft on the motor, from the motor, goes in here. There's a little set screw on the bottom that'll allow you to take the camera mount off, and same on this arm. There's a set screw on this side and another one on this side, and essentially those just hold into little here to hold the motor in place. So you loosen those two off, that one, 3 screws, and this entire assembly will pull out. Now I've got this motor torn apart because I had to fix those wires, but this just slides through, and there's little bearings in here. You want to be careful not to lose your bearings. So now we're going to continue on with the glue. I think I'm going to put some hot glue over top of these as well. The crazy glue seems to be holding pretty good, but I want to make sure it's strong, as I seem to crash every once in a while. But yeah, so let's get a few more things repaired. We'll have to connect this wire into here again, feed everything back through, and put her back together. Let's see how she goes. Now another important thing when you go to put these motors back together is to make sure they're all clean in here. There's nothing stuck in. After a crash, sometimes you get little sticks or grass, or you don't want anything stuck in these magnets, especially little pieces of wire. A little piece of wire in this one here. So I'm going to get rid of that. Make sure your motors are all nice and, or your magnets are all nice and clean. No debris. Little shot of air. And that looks pretty fair to me. And same thing on the other part of the motor. Give her a quick inspection. Make sure there's nothing stuck in there. Perfect. So then once you get them to here, feed your wires back down through here, and then you can plug them into the controller. The nice thing is, one of the connectors for the roll is colored black, so you don't have to worry about getting those mixed up. The roll and the pitch are the same connector, but like I said, the connector is black and the socket is black. And then on this side for the pitch, I don't know if you can see that there, but the connector is white and the hole is white. So we'll plug them in. Plug in the gyro first. And now for the part of the repair we all love, test. Fire it up and see if we fixed it. Alright. Oh, that looks good. So far so good. Let's see if our tilt works. Oh yes, good pitch. Pitch, that's perfect. And boys and girls, I think we have one more fixed gimbal that works again. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps you.